Hi there, Ronan from DevOps here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our service to add a server. First, let me log in. Once logged in, I can see my profile information. Here you can see that I already entered an SSH key and added a cloud provider, in this case, DigitalOcean. The first thing we want to do is create a new repository. As you can see, I have several options, but today we will only deal with creating a brand new repository. I'm going to name this test repo. As soon as the repository is ready, I should be able to go to the repository page. There you go. I can click on it. And as you can see, I will land on the files page. I'm not going to go into more details about the files page, and I'm going to jump right to the nodes section. The nodes section gives you a list of all the servers you've created. Since we just created that repository, I don't have any server yet. So let me go ahead and add a new server. As you can see, adding a new server is as easy as creating a new file that describes what you want the server to do. First thing first, I'm going to name it web.yaml. I'm going to give it an ID of web, a proper name of web server, and then I'm going to start to fill in the provider information. So first, the provider will be DigitalOcean, since that's what I have in my profile. And I will pick a size of 66 and a location of 3. Now, let me explain this. If you go to the documentation section, you will see that for DigitalOcean, a location of 3 means San Francisco 1, and a size of 66 corresponds to the smallest instance you can have on DigitalOcean, which is 512 megabytes. Let's go back to the app. I am almost ready to save that file, but first I'm going to add a service to my server. In that case, I think I'm going to add Nginx and save. There you go. I can see that my server is being created. I'll come back in a few minutes and it should be ready. Now the server should be ready. So let's click on it and review the details. As you can see, it's set up in the San Francisco data center of DigitalOcean. The size is 512. I have Nginx installed. And then I have the IP address, which will allow me to test whether or not Nginx was successfully installed. So I just copied it. I'm going to paste this into a new window. There you go. Welcome to Nginx. It worked. Another thing I can do is also using this IP address to connect directly to my server. So that's what I'm going to do. There you go. I can use SSH DevOps at and then paste the IP address I just copied. And it should just work. There you go. I'm in. That's about it. That's how you add a server on DevOps.